Good evening, students. So class 10th application of trigonometry chapter, a small introduction for the class 10th application of trigonometry. So I have uploaded a video based on introduction to trigonometry, all the 4 exercises and introduction to trigonometry and all the important formulas, everything I have uploaded in the introduction to trigonometry video. So in that, based on introduction to trigonometry, a few things which I wish to wish to rectify or revise things. One is application trigonometry. What are the formulas will be useful for that one? The one is sin theta SOH-CAH-TOA, which I given you already in the previous video itself. SOH-CAH-TOA, that is sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta opposite by adjacent side. So based on one right angle triangle, the entire chapter application of trigonometry will be proceeded. One is the hypotenuse will not change for any diagram, and this angle will be 90 degree, and now either the angle will be this or this one. Suppose this is theta is there now, though this is said to be opposite side, and this is said to be adjacent side, and this is said to be hypotenuse. Suppose the same thing, the right angle triangle is same right angle triangle A, B, C, and the angle is theta. So this is heights and this. One more name is application of trigonometry, and one more name is heights and distance. Suppose the angle is theta is here now. This is said to be opposite side, and this one is adjacent side, and this one is hypotenuse. So heights and distance. So there are many. In my description, I will give you the link of one more video which you can visualize all the what is said to be angle of elevation, what is said to be angle of depression, everything you can visualize. You can visualize the diagram, and I will give you the link in my description. Okay, so heights and distance, the two things which is very important in the board exam. My point of view is fully CBSE point of view. Okay, so one word is angle of elevation. For example, angle of elevation, and another word is angle of depression. Okay, so these two words, what is meant by and how we can imagine. So first one, angle of elevation, and then angle of depression. So first one, I'll go. Suppose I'm standing here. Okay, this is eyes. This is said to be line of sight. Okay, through my eyes I'm seeing. Next, I'm standing here. Now something I'm seeing. Okay, some bird is going on. So suppose from from bottom to top, that is said to be angle of elevator, because in all the supermarkets, all the malls, if you're going from bottom to top, that is said to be elevator, angle of elevation. And what is meant by angle of depression? From the top to the bottom, imagine the car is going in. Okay, in the ground level, this is said to be, I'm standing here. Okay, so this is, the car is going from the top, from my eyes to this driver. This is said to be angle of depression. So only we teachers are telling that don't be depressed in anything. Okay, so everything has a solution. So angle of depression. So if this is theta and this angle will be theta, this is class 7th or 8th portion. If these two is said to be parallel lines, this is said to be a transversal line. If this is theta, this also will be theta. The reason is alternate interior angles, AIA. Okay, so I already told you that. So once then directly I'll go to the exercise. So I'll revise one more time. SOH-CAH-TOA, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side, and there are two triangles. Once the angle is here, this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. If the angle is here, this is said to be opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. And there are two words which you're going to learn: angle of elevation, angle of depression. Angle of elevation now from the eyes to, from the bottom to the top. Angle of depression now from the top to the bottom. Okay, this is said to be theta, and this is theta. Now this also will be theta, alternate interior angle. And two things. One more thing you have to know is, now for example, I'm seeing, I'm going to the 60 30 degree imagine 30 degree. Okay, suppose now I'm going nearby now, what will be the angle increase aguma, decrease aguma? I'm giving you the open-ended question. Okay, think that one. For example, now I'm standing here, I'm seeing this place. Okay, this is 60 degree, imagine. Okay, this is 30 degree. Okay, கொஞ்சம் தூரமா இருந்து பார்க்கணும் 30 degree. Suppose நான் கொஞ்சம் கிட்டக்க போகலாம். I'm going nearby. So what will be the angle will 30 ல இருந்து it will increase 60 degree, yeah, இல்ல 15 degree, yeah. This is a open-ended question. Think about that. It will be useful for you in the coming sums. Now I'll move on to the exercise sums. So application of trigonometry. What is the exercise number? So the exercise number will be like this: 9.1. First question: a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of a pole. Pole na standing, okay, a standing line. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So they given you very clearly. So a pole is standing from the top of a vertical pole standing on the ground. So exercise 9.1. A pole. First question, since it's a small board, I will try to do 2 sums at a stage. Then I'll go over 2 more sums. So a vertical pole. So A, B. So in the board exam, as a board exam correction teacher, all the CBSE teachers will expect that labeling is there or not. And then what is it pole, what is it rope, everything you should write clearly. Okay. So long pole standing in the ground, and what they given? Climbing 20-meter long rope. Okay, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of vertical pole to the ground. So AC. So from here the rope is tied here, so tightly. So given it 20 meter. Next, find the height of a pole. So this is said to be pole, and they asked you find the AB. They are asking you. Okay, AB they are asking you. And then if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30. With the ground level, underline the word ground level. So this is said to be 30 degree. Okay, so everything they given you very clearly. One thing is, so now I'll start with another basics one. Suppose which side we need. This is said to be opposite side because angle is here. This is said to be adjacent side. This is said to be hypotenuse. So I will write the formula here. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and then tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side. So a below average child can think that there are 3 formulas. Which formula I have to use? The child should think given is hypotenuse, asking is opposite side. Hypotenuse is not coming, so in the hypotenuse varla, so strike out. And hypotenuse is coming these 2. Okay, va? So in the rendu formula, which one I have to use? Hypotenuse is coming. Okay, but the asking is opposite side. Inga appo idu thevilla. Asking is opposite side. Given is hypotenuse. So like this you have to eliminate the unwanted things. So this is said to be sin theta equal to opposite side AB upon hypotenuse AC. Sin theta value is 30 degree equal to AB or a value, I don't know the value. AC hypotenuse 20. Sin 30 value. So the basic requirement is you should know the trigonometry table. So introduction to trigonometry, kindly see my video. Okay. So sin 30 value 1 upon 2 equal to AB upon 20. If you cross multiply, we'll get 20 upon 2 equal to AB. So 10 equal to AB. We should not stop here. 10. What is next? So 10 they given you meter centimeter. So I will write in a different color also because they will ask you 10 meter. The board correction teacher will expect that meter is there or not. So like this you have to see the question. Okay. Second question. Second one. The tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground level at the angle of 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. So let me draw the tree. Okay, a tree is there. This is the ground level. The tree breaks due to storm. First I'll keep a name for this one. A, B. The breaking point is C. The tree going to break, okay, in the center point. The tree breaks and touches the ground. This is 90 degree. From C it goes to D. Okay, the angle is 30 degree. They given you this angle is 30 degree. Very good. And the top touches the ground is 8 meter. This is said to be 8 meter. Okay, then so I already told you that the topper students or whatever students average or below average or special catch children should write clearly what is the height of a tree. AB is said to be height of a tree. CD is the this is broken part touches the ground. Okay, wow. So here one important beauty is the distance between, what is the distance AC and what is the distance CD? AC and CD, you should think, okay. So AC, I'm writing two words. So AC, I'm telling that AC equal to CD. Why? AC equal to CD because this part only is broken part and same part only is falling down. So the distance AC is equal to CD. Okay, wow. So therefore, if you find the hypotenuse now, it will be, if you find the hypotenuse, if you found this side, then it will be easy to find the height of a tree. Okay. So now I'm drawing to this part. So this is angle is here. This is adjacent side is given. I need to find out this one. What is the side called as? Opposite side. So angle is here. This is said to be opposite side. This is said to be adjacent side. Now come back. Go to three formulas. Which formula can you use? Adjacent side is given. I need the opposite side. Adjacent side is coming in these two formulas. In these two formula, எந்த formula opposite side வருது? இதுதான் வருது. அப்ப tan theta equal to O by A. So அப்ப இனிமேட்டு you should be very very careful that tan theta equal to O by A formula the entire chapter going to play a vital role. Opposite side by adjacent side. So first my suggestion is write the alphabets. Tan theta value எவ்வளவு? 30 degree. Opposite alphabets என்ன? CB by BD. It makes the correction teacher more clarity. Okay, wow. So tan 30 equal to CB oda value theriyadu. Very good. BD value 8 meter. Tan 30. You guys will be confusing between tan 30 and tan 60. Tan 30 oda value, tan 30 1 by root 3. So okay, wow. Tan 60 da root 3. So tan 30 value 1 upon root 3 equal to CB upon 8. If you cross multiply, 8 upon root 3 equal to CB. Is a CB is a height of a tree? No, because CB is a part of a tree. So height of a tree another, I need AB, right? So for that, if I found the hypotenuse now, hypotenuse stand panna adedhan. So I need to find the hypotenuse. How to find the hypotenuse? Now let's I go to this side. Okay, wow. So I have to find the hypotenuse. So now again three formulas: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Adjacent side is given. Okay, or opposite side is given. Opposite now I found no. So adjacent side is given. How to find the hypotenuse? So if I go for cos theta, so adjacent by hypotenuse, right? So cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value BD, hypotenuse value CD. Cos theta value 30 equal to BD, I know that 8, CD I don't know. Cos 30 value root 3, cos 30 value 1 upon 2, 8 upon, cos 30 value is 1 upon 2. This could you please check? Cos 30, sin 30. So I got, therefore adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Very good. So cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, right? Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 CD. If you cross multiply, you will get CD equal to 16 upon root 3. What is CD is otherwise called as broken part, which will be equal to AC. Now you find the height of a tree. So height of a tree can be written as AC plus BC. What is AC value? 16 upon root 3. What is BC value? 8 upon root 3. Denominator same on the numerator add panna. 24 upon root 3. இன்னுமே எனக்கு clarity வேணா, you can do the rationalize the denominator. That's up to meter போடலாம். Rationalize the denominator என்ன பண்ணுவ? Class 7th into root 3 by root 3 போடுவ. Therefore I got 24 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So therefore I got 24 root 3 upon 3. The final answer 8 root 3. Okay, 8 root 3 meter. I got the answer. Question number 3. Okay, so question number 3. What is question number 3? A contractor plans to install two slides of the children to play in the park. For the children, two slides. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at the angle of 30 degree. Below below 5 years, and then one more is elder children. Okay, ma? So there are two cases, below 5 and then elder children. So one more time I will read. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children play in the ground park. For the children below age 5 years, she prefers to have a side whose top is 1.5 meter and Sintana 30 degree to the ground. So question number 3. There are two cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 1, there are two. This is so I will write below 5 years, and this one is for elder children's. Slide, you guys know that slide automatically in all the parks, A, B, C, and this is PQR. Okay, this is a slide which you guys are playing. It's a wonderful child time. So first case, below 5 years, 1.5 meter, whose top is 1.5 meter height and the angle is 30 degree. This is 1.5 meter and the angle is 30 degree. And if I elder children's, it's a 3 meter and this one is 60 degree. What they asking in the question, they asked you is, what should be the length of the slide in each case? So they are asking you length of the slide in each case. So now again SOH-CAH-TOA, opposite side is given, hypotenuse they are asking. Which one we have to use? SOH-CAH-TOA. Sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse. Very good. We got the first formula itself. So sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and here also sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So theta value also given, but theta value is different. Okay. So therefore I got sin 30 degree equal to 1.5 upon hypotenuse. AC I don't know. Similarly here also sin 60 degree 3 upon hypotenuse PR I don't know. Okay, so sin 30 value 1 upon 2 equal to 1.5 upon AC. If you cross multiply, AC equal to 3 meter. This below 5 years. And sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 equal to 3 upon PR. If you cross multiply, you get PR is equal to 6 upon root 3 meter. You want to rationalize the denominator, we can rationalize the denominator. Okay, so if you rationalize, you will get root 3 by root 3. So 18 upon 6 root 3 by 3, you get most probably 2 root 3 meter. Clear? Fourth question. The angle of elevation of a top of a tower from the point on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, which is 30 degree. Very easy question, same model. So question number 4. What they given is, so this is A, this is B, this is C, this is tower, this angle they given AB with the height of a tower. So this is said to be, you can write that AB, put the arrow mark. Don't give the chance to teacher to raise the mark, okay? Height of the AB is the height of a tower, and angle is 30 degree. This is 30 degree and they given you 30 meter. What's asking? Find the height of a tower as usual. So angle is given, opposite side they are asking, adjacent side is given. Opposite side, adjacent side, which therefore tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side 30 degree. So tan 30 equal to opposite side AB, adjacent side BC. AB value I don't know, BC value 30, tan 30 value 1 upon, so tan 30 value 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 equal to AB upon 30. If you cross multiply, you will get 30 upon root 3 equal to AB. So now it is now you have a chance to rationalize the denominator. Therefore rationalize the denominator, I will get 30 upon root 3 times root 3 upon root 3. Therefore finally I got 10 root 3 meter. Meter or centimeter. So I got 10 root 3 meter. Fifth question. A kite is flying at the height. Okay, so fifth question. A kite is flying at the height of 60 meters above the ground. A string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point in the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. Okay, assuming that there is no slack. Slack na vandu valaiva edum illa, surku mark edum illa. This is question number 5. Okay, a kite is flying at the height of 60 meter. Okay, so imagine For everything, heights and distances based on right angle triangle only. So imagine a kite, okay, is flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground. String, so this is said to be, so you can write, this is said to be height of the kite from the ground level. This is said to be string. You can write the wordings, okay, it will be easy for you. And kite 60 degrees is attached to that. Which one they are asking you now? Assuming that find the length of the string. So they need to find out the length of the string. Which side is given? This is angle is here. This is the opposite side. Which side they are asking you? Hypotenuse. So obviously I can write sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is AB. Hypotenuse value is AC. So sin 60 equal to opposite value 60. Hypotenuse value they are asking you. Sin 60 value root 3 upon 2 equal to 60 upon AC. If you cross multiply, you will get AC equal to 120 upon root 3. Class 7th portion. Rationalize the denominator. I think I will get 40. I will get 340 root 3 meter. 6th question. 40 root 3 meter. Okay, 6th question. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance. Okay, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to top of the building increases from 30 to 60. Okay, 30 to 60. As he walks towards the building, find the distance he was. Okay, so a boy or height on the 1.5 meter tall. Boy or height from the 1.5 meter tall. One more time I'll read the question. Standing at a distance from a 30 meter high building. So for everything I need the ground level. So this is the ground level. Okay. And a boy is standing. And this boy height is 1.5 meter tall. Next. From a 30 meter high building. From the ground level only the building will be there. For everything you label the diagram and then write. This one will fix it of A, B, C, D, and this distance is 30 meter. I will write here 30 meter. Next. From his eyes the angle of elevation from bottom to top. Okay, from his eyes from 30 to 60. Top of the tower. இங்கிருந்து போகும்போது இங்க 30 டிகிரினா angle of elevation is a 60 degree. Increases from 30 to 60. Okay, if this is 1.5 now automatically this also will be 1.5. Total 30 degree, total 30 meter. அதுல 1.5 போயிடுச்சு. அப்ப இது எவ்வளவு வரும்? 28.5 meter. One more time repeat பண்றேன். 1.5 meter tall boy is standing on the ground. From here a 30 meter tower is there. From the eyes to the tower is seeing. The angle increases from 30 degree to 60. அப்ப நான் ஓபன் ஒரு क्वेश्चन ஒன்னு கொடுத்தேன் இல்லையா? அது என்னது? இங்க 30 டிகிரினா டவருக்கு கிட்ட போக 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 இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும், டிகிரி இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். Okay, புரியுதா? நான் open question I given you while starting the chapter itself. Now, this is 1.5 and this is 1.5. Apart, total 30 la 1.5 subtract panna மிச்சம் 28.5. Now, what they are asking you in the question? So, they are asking you in the question is this one. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So, the distance they are asking you to find out is which distance they are asking you find out. Okay, so towards the building they are asking you distance. So let me keep the name for this one also. Your A, B, C, D, this one I will keep it E and this one is F. EF they are asking you to find out. Can we move on now? So slowly you have to do. So the roughness of the chapter is increases by step by sum. Okay, so if two triangles are coming now, you have to divide the pieces, divide the triangle into two pieces. Okay, what is a big triangle? Suppose a 45 degree, I'm giving a small hint. Suppose in any triangle 45 degrees coming, now do that triangle first. It will be easy for you. Okay, so now angle is here. This side said to be opposite side. Am I clear? This said to be adjacent side. This said to be opposite side. This said to be adjacent side. Opposite, adjacent. Which one I have to use? SOH-CAH-TOA, which one I have to use? So you have to be very clear. Clear? So I'll move on to the next one. So case number 1. Let me take first triangle. Which triangle? I'll take a small portion number 1. So first portion is in triangle. You have to be very clear. In triangle DEF. Draw the triangle separately. This is D. This is E. This is F. This is 60 degree. This is 28.5. I need this one. Adjacent side I need. Opposite side is given. Therefore, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side. That is DE upon FE. DE 28.5 FE. I don't know. Then angle also you can apply angle tan 30, that is tan 60. So tan 60 equal to 28.5 upon FE. Tan 60 value, you know that root 3 equal to 28.5 upon FE. If you cross multiply, you will get FE equal to 28.5 upon root 3 meter. So actually the question one more time, whether they are asking you find the distance he walked towards the building. So BC, they are asking you to find out. (28.5) root 3 tan 60 value, correct. So if you rationalize the denominator, you get so length of a BC. So length of I got the small triangle. Now if I case 2, if I move on to the case 2, so I'm not rubbing the first diagram, I'm rubbing the second diagram. That is DEF I completed. Case 2. Case 2, I will take a in triangle DEA. DEA. Center I will mark it up F. Because FE now I found no 28.5 upon root 3, right? Keep it aside. Now the angle is 30 and this one is 28.5. Okay. I can draw because I don't want to confuse you. I will keep it as it is. Now same thing, tan theta. So tan theta equal to opposite side DE by AE. Now tan 30 degree equal DE value 28 upon 5. AE can be written as, okay, AE can be written as AF plus FE. Tan 30 value 1 upon root 3 equal to 28.5 upon AF plus FE. If you cross multiply, you will get AF plus FE equal to 28.5 root 3. Cross multiply. Now you can apply the remaining FE value. Now I found the value. So AF equal to FE value 28.5 upon root 3 equal to 28.5 root 3. Now take it to the next slide. Therefore I got AF equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 root 3 upon root 3. Okay, now cross multiply, you will get the answer. So cross multiply, so you will get 28.5 root 3 into root 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. Therefore finally I will write here (28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3). So this is I get 28.5 into 3. Finally I got final answer 57 upon root 3. You can cross check your answer. 57 upon root 3 meter. Okay, what? Question number 6 over. Question number 7. Do well. If you practice, you can do well. Okay, I'll meet in the next video. You can and you will.